Okay, this is the first question on the rates part. The driving distance from Alex's home to his work is 23 kilometres. He drives to and from work 5 times a week, and his car uses a fuel at a rate of 8 litres per 100 kilometres, and the price of fuel is 118.9 cents a litre. How much does it cost Alex to drive to work? Now, it hasn't been scaffolded. That's becoming more of a case, and you have to scaffold this question. In other words, you have to break it down into its steps. So the first thing we're going to calculate is the distance he travels. It's 5 times, it's there and back, so it's 5 times 2 times 23, which is 230. That's the distance. Now we've got to figure out the next thing is how much fuel is used. Well, we know that 8 litres equals 100 kilometres. We want to know how many litres 230 kilometres would use. So we're going to use the unitary method. We know that 8 litres equals 100, so we're going to take that down to 1 and then times by, or take this down to 1 perhaps, then times by 230. Or we could say that, okay, this is 2.3 100 metres. So we've gone down to 1 kilometre, so we've divided by 100. So we divide this side by 100. So 0.08 litres equals 1 kilometre. Then how do we get from 1 kilometre to 230? We times by 230. So we times this side. So what we've got is that he uses 18.4 litres for the 230 kilometres. Now we have to figure out how much is it going to cost. So you can see that we've had to take it step by step by step. How much is that going to be? Well, it's going to be 18.4 times the price. So 18.4 times the price. Now, they like doing this in trials and HSCs. This looks as though it's in dollars and cents already, but this is cents. So it's not $2,187.76. It's 2,000 cents. How do we convert that to dollars? You know, we divide by 100 and we get $21.88. You've just got to be really careful and understand that would you really pay $2,000 for 1 week worth of petrol? And the answer to that is no. So hopefully that helps with that first question. Thanks.